Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is a small jewelry making tutorial for today, and I have already made all the quilling pieces. And if you want to know how to make these pieces, check my YouTube channel and subscribe if you want to know more such content. And right now I'm just showing you how to make the blue jhumka or small quill over here. I'm not going to give much description on it. You can check my YouTube channel for that, or the links in the description on how to make jewelry pieces. First thing that I want to tell you is that use very little fevicol or the glue, that any kind of glue that you're using, for paper gets soggy if excess amount of glue is there. So right now it's really important that you're making 2 pairs of earrings, obviously, so you need to know what amount, as well as check if they are of the similar length. So I'm here checking it and showing you what are the other pieces that needs to be connected. There are 3 pieces, 2 jhumkas and 1 weaving piece that needs to be connected with jump rings. I'm showing the utility box. I'm going to give proper description up in the jewelry making video that I will be making very soon. If you want to know more about it, please be notified my channel. We are using an eye pin and a stop pin and 2. We are going to start with the jhumkas. I'm using a stop pin and I'm going to cut it with the cutter and using a plier. We're going to cut it to the required length according to you. I'm using very lightweight cutter and plier, not the kind that are provided in the toolkits, because they could be risky. These come with the jewelry making kit. I'm going to leave the link in the description for the jewelry making kit and what are things provided. And if you want to know more about the jewelry making kit, you can be notified about that thing by my channel and subscribe it, because I will be coming with a video like that for sure. Now we are ready with the last jhumka, and I'm going to start with the middle one, the blue one, where I'm going to use the eye pin because I need to connect it on both the sides. Top pin doesn't have the connection for both the sides, and if you want to use the eye pin on both, you can use it. I am not using it because I don't need to hang anything at the end as well. So here you just going to make a loop with the plier, and we are going to connect all the 3 pieces with the help of jump rings. The kind of jump rings I'm using, I'm going to notify it on the screen, and we're just going to make small loops to connect both of them. You can see over here I've prepared all the 2 jhumkas for it, and we're just going to connect it. Right now I have a small blue loops or small quills for the upper side, so that we can connect it with the hook as well. We are using jump rings, one of 6 mm and then a one of 8 mm, and you just need to pull it and and fix it with plier, and it will be ready. And it's not no rocket science. I just wanted you to know that it's very easy and you can do it, and what kind of material that is used in it as well. And here we are almost done with the things, and we are just going to connect all of these things. So if you want to know more about such quilling or jewelry making tutorial, please subscribe to the channel. I have a proper quilling and as well as a jewelry making playlist for beginners, and you can hop to my channel to know more about these things. So like, share and subscribe. Thank you for today, and we are done with the thing.